In a stunning display of unity, over 1,000 grey Brahman bulls quench their thirst in the flowing river, the sunlight catching every ripple.
Clear the ramp, move along.
All secure on this side.
This facility utilizes advanced robotics and precision logistics to ensure the calm processing of over 1,000 grey Brahman cattle.
Tablet shows a clear bill of health for Lot 7.
Confirmed. Moving to the next group.
We need support on row 12.
Copy that. Sending Unit 3.
Control, this is Supervisor 4. Feeding belts are fully operational across all sectors.
Acknowledged, Supervisor. Maintain current flow rate.
Proceed to Sector 4.
Each cut is inspected by quality control experts. Meat is weighed, vacuum packed, labeled, and sealed.
Temperature is stable at 35 degrees Celsius.
All right, I'll keep the flow rate steady on this valve.
Inside the Brahman luxury factory, advanced AIs meticulously inspect every horn.
More than 5,000 clean gray Brahman horns move through our advanced rinsing station, where ultra-pure
Look at
this discoloration here near the center. Yeah. Yes, I see the grain irregularity. Let's mark it as a grade 2 defect.
Laser synchronization is optimal across all 6 axes.
Confirmed. Color consistency is at 99.8%.
This panel looks perfect. The laser application is flawless.
Agreed. Send it to assembly.
This one looks excellent. The hardware is secure.
Yes, the robot calibration is perfect today.